Well, this event was inspired by the TV reality show called Chopped. I like the Chopped TV series because they really give you only 30 minutes to prepare a meal. And that's the real reality of our kitchen at home.
My dish, it was pasta in a tofu type of ricotta sauce, and that was on top of a bed of cinnamon and paprika roasted sweet potatoes, and then I topped that with a scallions that were marinated in a coconut aminos type of marinade, and then I topped it with the fried eggs, some more fresh scallions, and some sesame seeds.
For the Chop Challenge, I decided to cook cinnamon spiced tofu taco and a side of Mexican street corn pasta salad. I love tacos. I actually am pescatarian. And so I was glad that the ingredients were also pretty inclusive of everyone's diet.
I thought, what do I do? And the thing that came to mind was a peanut sauce. That peanut and cinnamon might actually really go well together. And I love Thai food. So I also realized I had some edamame pasta. So I could make a kind of modified peanutty pad Thai dish. So I called it, I believe, cinnamon dusted tofu in a peanut sauce with scallions. And I had a little bit of chili paste off to the side for extra kick.